busily mauling the bird. No, it's mine, it's mine.
Oh, you're stuck. Oh, we're stuck again.
Oh, kitty.
Get it between his legs, that's the best one.
Yeah. You gonna do it again? Twirling, swirling, I am a floor ballerina. No, it's mine. I won't give it back. It's mine, mine. I will hold on for dear life.
Hey.
Oh, Simon. Look what he's doing. The rolling around on the floor. Rolling with my back foot. Rolling, swirling.
Truce. Truce. Get it off.
Oh, now he really wants it off his foot. Oh, kitty boy.
You can't get it off.
Can you release your claw from the duct tape?
Get it off. Simon. Oh.
There you go. Now he's free.
You know, if we pass by the Hays Code in the 40s, then great, we'll use that. If it's...
Nighttime crazies. Simon. Nice jump, kitty boy. Oh, he has it. It has been killed.
When you tie my finger to the ground.
Woo!
But how do I make you say that you want to tickle it? How do you keep the bird upon the ground? Oh, how do you solve a problem like my bird? How do you barf up a tree once you...
Demon, she's a lamb. She'll not pester any pest. Drive a hornet from its nest. She can whirl a whirling dervish out of world. She is gentle, she is wild. She's a riddle, she's a child. She's a headache, she's an angel.